Hi viewers, today we will see some new features in Mail in macOS Ventura. Let's see. First, unsend mail. Here I am going to send a new mail. After sending, I change my mind to undo it. You can see undo send button is here. Within 10 seconds, you can undo it by clicking undo send. You can schedule an email. Here this little button besides the send button, it gives option to send now, 9 p.m. tonight and 9 p.m. tomorrow, or send later to customize your sending time. After schedule, if you do not see the send later in mail sidebar, click here to add favorites. Then you add the send later, where you can go and select schedule message. Says this message scheduled to be on certain time. From this edit button you can edit anytime, or you can delete the message in case of change your mind. New mail have remind me features. Select the messages, then control click or right click, or then go to messages from mail menu bar, then remind me, and set your remind time when you need it. And you can see the remind me tab in the mail sidebar. Next, improve mail search. If you search from here, you can notice the highlighted your searching word. It is improved from previous version. That's all. Hope you like this video. Please like and share if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.